Ever wondered if that glass of pomegranate juice you're sipping is doing more than just quenching your thirst? Perhaps you've heard about its touted health benefits, or maybe you're just a fan of its delightful tart sweetness. But what if I told you this juice, squeezed from the ruby red seeds of the pomegranate, is a powerhouse of health? Yes, you heard it right. This unassuming beverage, with its origins in the Middle East, is bursting with science-backed health benefits. From being a rich source of antioxidants to its potential role in fighting heart disease, pomegranate juice is a heavy hitter in the world of nutritional drinks. In the next few minutes, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of this power-packed juice. We'll explore its rich history, its impressive nutritional profile, and the top health benefits that have garnered it so much attention. Stay tuned to find out why this ruby red beverage is much more than just a refreshing drink. Pomegranates have been cherished for their exquisite beauty, flavor, color, and health benefits for centuries. Originating in the region from modern-day Iran to northern India, these vibrant fruits were cultivated and revered in ancient Persia. They were seen as symbols of prosperity and fertility, and were even part of their medicinal arsenal. The pomegranate's influence didn't stop there. The ancient Egyptians held it in high regard, using it in their art, medicine, and religious ceremonies. In Greek mythology, the pomegranate was associated with the goddess of the underworld, Persephone, representing life, regeneration, and marriage. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, pomegranates became a popular motif in Christian art, symbolizing resurrection and eternal life. Over in the East, the Chinese appreciated pomegranates for their round shape and numerous seeds, symbols of abundance and fertility. Even today, pomegranates remain a customary gift during Chinese New Year. Now that we've traced its roots, let's dive into the science behind the health benefits of pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is a nutritional goldmine, but what makes it so special? Well, it's all in the unique blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it contains. Let's peel back the layers of this rich ruby red juice and explore its nutritional profile. First off, pomegranate juice is a great source of vitamins, particularly vitamin C and vitamin K. Just one glass of this vibrant juice provides almost half of your daily requirement for vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts your immune system and aids in the production of collagen for healthy skin. It also delivers a substantial amount of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. In addition to these vitamins, pomegranate juice is brimming with essential minerals. It's a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure, support nerve function, and maintain a healthy balance of fluids in your body. It also contains a modest amount of calcium and magnesium, two minerals that are vital for strong bones and teeth. But what truly sets pomegranate juice apart is its rich array of antioxidants. Pomegranate juice is packed with unique compounds like punicalagins and punicic acid, which are powerful antioxidants. These compounds help combat oxidative stress in the body, a process that can lead to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. In fact, pomegranate juice has been found to have 3 times the antioxidant activity of red wine and green tea. Let's not forget the fiber. Yes, even though we're talking about juice, pomegranates are a great source of dietary fiber. While some of it is lost in the juicing process, a good amount still makes it into your glass. Fiber aids in digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and can lower your risk of developing chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. With its impressive nutritional profile, it's no wonder pomegranate juice can offer a myriad of health benefits. So the next time you're looking for a nutritious beverage, consider reaching for a glass of pomegranate juice. It's not just delicious, it's a veritable treasure trove of wellness. So, how exactly does pomegranate juice contribute to your health? Well, let's dive into the top health benefits this ruby red juice has to offer. First on the list is heart health. Pomegranate juice is brimming with antioxidants, even more than red wine or green tea. These antioxidants, especially a type called punicalagins, help to protect the heart by reducing oxidative stress and preventing damage to your arteries. Moreover, studies have shown that pomegranate juice can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and decrease plaque in your arteries, all of which contribute to a healthier heart. Next, let's talk about cancer prevention. The antioxidants in pomegranate juice don't just stop at heart health. They also play a role in preventing cancer, particularly breast and prostate cancers. Research suggests that pomegranate juice can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even trigger apoptosis. That's a fancy term for the natural death of cells. This apoptosis helps to prevent the proliferation of cancer cells, keeping them from spreading and causing more harm. Moving on, we have improved memory. Yes, you heard that right. Pomegranate juice might just be your brain's new best friend. Studies have indicated that pomegranate juice can enhance memory and cognitive function. It's believed that the polyphenols in pomegranate juice have neuroprotective effects. That means they protect your brain cells from damage and help maintain their function. So if you're looking for a natural memory booster, pomegranate juice could be just the ticket. Fourthly, we have the anti-inflammatory effects of pomegranate juice. Chronic inflammation in the body can lead to numerous health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Pomegranate juice, with its high levels of antioxidants, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body, thereby reducing your risk of these serious health conditions. Last but certainly not least, pomegranate juice can lead to better digestion. This is because it's a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in the smooth functioning of your digestive system. Drinking pomegranate juice can help to prevent constipation and promote regularity. Plus, it's a natural way to soothe an upset stomach. In summary, pomegranate juice is a veritable powerhouse of health benefits. From promoting heart health to preventing cancer, enhancing memory, reducing inflammation, and aiding digestion, it's a potent health booster in a glass. As you can see, pomegranate juice is a potent health booster in a glass. So, what's the bottom line about pomegranate juice? Let's take a step back and consider everything we've learned. Pomegranate juice is not just a refreshing beverage, it's an absolute powerhouse of health and wellness. This tantalizing elixir is a nutritional goldmine, brimming with essential vitamins, minerals, and potent antioxidants. First off, we've got the rich history of pomegranates. These ruby-red fruits have been revered for centuries across cultures and continents. They've been symbols of prosperity, fertility, and health, and for good reason. The pomegranate's nutritional profile is nothing short of impressive. It's loaded with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that's essential for immune health. It's also a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. And let's not forget about the minerals like potassium and calcium that help maintain heart health and strengthen bones. But the true star of the show is the pomegranate's unique blend of antioxidants. These include punicalagins and punicic acid, which have been linked to a host of health benefits. They've been shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and even have potential anti-cancer properties. Beyond the nutritional profile, we've delved into the top health benefits of pomegranate juice. It's a heart-healthy choice, helping to lower cholesterol and protect against heart disease. It's also been shown to improve memory and cognitive function, making it a smart choice for brain health. And let's not forget about its potential role in cancer prevention, its benefits for gut health, and its ability to help manage weight. It's a versatile health-boosting beverage that's as delicious as it is nutritious. In conclusion, pomegranate juice is a dynamic, health-promoting beverage that can be a valuable addition to any diet. Its rich nutritional profile and wide-ranging health benefits make it a standout in the world of superfoods. So the next time you're sipping on pomegranate juice, remember, you're not just enjoying a delicious beverage, you're also fueling your body with an array of health-boosting nutrients.